Namaste students, welcome all of you. I am Leela Jadhav from KTHM College Nasik. We will discuss today one question on machine hour rate will be a basic question. Try to understand the basic concepts. We shall read the question. The following particulars relates to a new machine. We are required understand to find out machine hour rate. We are required to bifurcate expenses between standing charges and running charges, means fixed cost and variable cost. Let us read the question. Here, the following particulars relates to a new machine purchased by a manufacturing company. Purchase price of the machine 4,000. Rent rates per quarter 15,000. Installation expenses 20,000. Monthly lighting charges for the total area 1,000 and estimated value of scrap at the end of the 10th year 20,000. Foreman salary for the year 30,000. Estimated life of the machine 10 years and annual insurance premium for the machine 3,000. Running of machine in its lifetime 2 lakhs hours. Estimated repair and maintenance for the machine for a period of 12 months 5,000. Machine occupies 25% of total area and consumable store is 3,000 per annum and sundries supplies 1,000 per annum. Time devoted by the foreman 1/6 of his time. Power consumption 5 units per hour at rupees 5 per 100 units. You are required to prepare a statement showing consumption of machine hour rates. Let us prepare statement of standing charges and running charges relating to machinery. First, consider the expenses. Here, depreciation, purchase price of the machine, installation expenses minus estimated value of scrap upon estimated working life of the machine. Here in our problem, purchase price of the machine 4 lakh and then installation expenses 20,000 and estimated scrap value 20,000 and running of machine in its lifetime is 2 lakhs. From this we calculate the depreciation 4 lakh plus installation charges 20,000 minus estimated scrap value 20,000 and estimated working life of this machine is 2 lakh hours. Here 4 lakh upon 2 lakh get rupees 2. Next, rent and rates. Rent and rates per quarter 15,000. 15,000 for 1 quarter. Here we require full years, means 4 quarters, and area occupies the machine is 25% of total area. Here 25% of total area, we get 15,000 rupees. Next, lighting charges. Here lighting charges is given monthly. Monthly lighting charges for the total area 1,000. Here monthly lighting charges is 1,000 and per month rupees 1,000. There we require 12 months. We require 12 months. And area occupies is 25% of total area. This machine occupy 1/4 of total area, means 25%. Here 3,000 rupees. Next, 4 months salary. Here 4 months salary 30,000. 4 months salary for a year 30,000, but time divided by the 4 month is 1/6 of his time, means 30,000 into 1/6, we get rupees 5,000. We get rupees 5,000. Then repair and maintenance. Here estimated repair and maintenance for the machine for a period of 12 months 5,000. Here machine work 2 lakh hours, means running of machine in its lifetime 2 lakh hours. Here we calculate repair and maintenance. Here 2 lakh hours the estimated life of the machine is 10 years. 10 years. The machine work in year 20 hours per annum. And then in our problem, repair and maintenance amount 5,000 rupees. 5,000 upon 20,000 hours, we get 0.25. And then next, power 5 units. Power 5 units per hour at rupees 5 per 100 units. Here 5 units into 5 upon 100 we get 0.25. Next, standing charges. Here first we calculate the standing charges and machine expenses. After finding the expenses in per annum, we need to find out the machine hour rate statement and show the statement in these books of a company. Statement showing computation of machine hour rates. Here machine number, department. This statement divided into two parts. First one, standing charges means fixed expenses, and second, machine expenses means running charges. Here we record our calculations. Here first our calculation is depreciation. It is variable expenses rupees 2 per hour, and then next rent and rates 15,000 rupees. This is fixed expenses. And then lighting charges rupees 3,000. Lighting charges rupees 3,000. 4 months salary 5,000. Repair and maintenance 0.25. Repair maintenance variable 0.25. And then power 0.25. And in our problem remaining expenses are annual insurance premium 3,000, and consumable stores 3,000 per annum, and sundry supplies 1,000 per annum. And get the total. We will get 30,000 standing charges and here calculation of standing charges 30,000 upon machine running per annum 20,000 hours. Here we will get 1.5. This is the standing charges per hour. Here standing charges 1.5 and we can add this all to get machine hour rate. We can add all amount to get machine hour rate. So we get machine hour rate rupees 4. In here standing charges 1.50 and machine expenses means running expenses, depreciation rupees 2 and repair maintenance 0.25, power 25. Total all of these machine hour rates is rupees 4. I hope do you understand the calculation of machine hour rates? With this, I would like to say thank you very much.